Hello. I'm going to walk you through my assignment 2.1.1. We are using the sum function, the now function, VLOOKUP, if, and max. I also threw in min and transpose. This is what the empty spreadsheet looks like. I'm going to walk you through filling it out, starting with our order totals using sum. We will sum across this range, and I'm just selecting the first value and then shift clicking down to get the whole value of the range. We get 7. I'm just going to click the bottom and drag that over. Copy our function. Next, we're going to take this vertical total and then this horizontal total and transpose it vertically using the transpose function. So transpose and then select a range, just like that. Moving on, we are using the sum function to determine our totals for our baked goods. Equals sum. For lemon tart, our range is going to be from order 1 to order 3. And we'll get a sum like that, 6. Drag that down as well. Next, the date. We are using the now function, so equals now, left bracket, right bracket, and that'll give you the current date and time. Moving on to the second part of the sheet, we will be using VLOOKUP to get our description. VLOOKUP. Our search key is going to be our product number, and we are searching across this range of this table or this range of data. And we want description, so our column index is going to be column 2. So for index, we just put 2, and that'll give us lemon tart. I'm also going to go in and make these references absolute so that nothing weird happens to us later. Again, drag that down. Lastly, for price, I decided to use a pretty lengthy if statement just because I included a bundle discount. So that if statement is here. Looks something like this. We are just going to copy that in. And then not bold this. Alright. Basically, the if statement takes into account whether or not the quantity is greater than or less than 5. Obviously, if it's 5 or more, they get the bundle discount. If it's less than 5, they don't. So these two wouldn't get the bundle discount, but these next 3 would. So that looks something like this, using an if statement, and then just looking up quantity numbers and description numbers. So it checks if the quantity number is less than 5, this is the first statement, and then the next thing, it checks if it's greater than 5, or greater than or equal to 5, in order to get the correct price. Lastly, we're going to be using our min and max functions. First to find the most expensive baked good. So that would just be the max of our prices. So this range. This will give us back 12. We'll do the same but with min across the same range. And that'll tell us our minimum is 5. And that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.